In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsend a text message using the new iMessage unsend feature within iOS 16. Apple's recent release of iOS 16 has given us a bunch of new useful features inside of the Message app, and one that we've been waiting for is the ability to unsend text messages. There are a few things to remember before trying this out though. First, you must be updated to the latest iOS release. I'll put a link above to a video showing you how to update your iOS that I did in the past. Next, the person that you're sending to must also be updated to iOS 16. This may be an issue for a little bit, as not everybody updates their iOS right away though. So what happens in this situation is the text will be removed from your end, but there may be an alert letting you know that if they're not updated, then they might still see the message. And finally, you only have a couple of minutes to unsend. So if you do want to unsend your text, make sure you do it right away and before the person that you're sending to sees it. With all that out of the way, let's look at how to unsend a text message. Open the Messages app and then start with a text that you want to send to somebody. Once you send the text and you decide that you want to unsend it, press and hold on the text bubble. A side note, if you see that the text bubble is green, this won't work. It means that it was not sent as an iMessage text because the person that you're sending is probably on an Android device or you have iMessage turned off. But if you are both using iMessage and the pop-up menu appears, select Undo Send. It will then undo the text and remove it from your message history. And if all the things that I mentioned before, the person you're sending to is also on iOS 16, they haven't read the message yet, and it's within the couple minute time frame, the message will also be unsent and removed from their text message history. This will probably be hit or miss for a little bit, as people aren't always fast to update their iOS versions. But after a while, when everyone is updated, it'll be a welcome feature. And that's how you unsend an iMessage text with iOS 16 on your iPhone.